Verifying your identity on Cash App is essential for using its full range of features. If your verification fails, follow these steps to resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your information. Ensure that all the information you provided matches your official identification documents. This includes your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Step 2. Use a valid form of ID. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Esrock to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Resubmit your verification. If your initial attempt failed, go back to the verification section in the app and carefully resubmit your information. Double check for any typos or errors before submitting. Step 4. Contact Cash App support. If verification continues to fail, reach out to Cash App support for assistance. You can do this through the app or their website. Provide them with details about your issue for faster resolution. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After resubmitting your information or contacting support, wait for a confirmation email or notification from Cash App regarding your verification status. This may take some time, so be patient. By following these steps, you can successfully navigate the verification process on Cash App. If issues persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance.